PCM-D10, the successor to D100, was released on January 8th, 2019. I'm by no means an expert in the audio recording field, so this video is simply to demonstrate the basic functions of this product. 2 recording samples: Hotel California live performance from the Eagles Band, played through Anchor Soundcore Motion Plus, and Bose SoundLink Mini 2 can be found at the end of this review. As usual, I will leave timestamps in the description below so you can quickly navigate to the section that interests you the most. The samples are recorded at LPCM 48 kHz, 24-bit. I'm not sure if a higher setting makes any sense for YouTube videos. Even at 320 kbps in MP3 format should be more than enough. I may upload the raw music sample recordings to a cloud drive somewhere so you can download without having to restrict your listening experience based on this YouTube compression. YouTube uses 2 types of audio formats: AAC, wrapped in an MP4 container, or Opus in a WebM container. For AAC, YouTube will play a maximum audio bitrate of around 126 kbps. For Opus, it can be between 56 kbps and 165 kbps. This is regardless of the audio source format being uploaded, because YouTube will automatically re-encode videos to use their format. So even if you upload a video with 2496 lossless audio, YouTube will convert it to 126 kbps AAC in an MP4 container. Once a video reaches a certain amount of views and becomes popular, YouTube will automatically re-encode a WebM version of the video, which can be only slightly higher in quality, 156 versus 126 kbps. So please consider click like and hopefully subscribe to my channel if you find this review helpful. The unit runs on 4 AA batteries, which are included. I'm using Eneloop rechargeable ones for the test. There is a battery type setting in the menu that offers the option to let the unit know that the rechargeable nickel metal hydride battery types are used. It can also be powered via battery bank using the Type-C USB cable. And of course, you can always use a wall outlet to provide unlimited amount of power. The audio jack is conveniently located on the left, and I'm using a MDR A1 headphones for monitoring. I'm using a little standard mini tripod that allows for a better grip and provides a pretty stable standing surface, so I can aim the microphones at a certain angle. There are 2 XLR inputs at the bottom. that can also provide phantom power to the microphones. The biggest drawback of this unit is that it cannot record 4 channels at the same time. It can only do 2 when compared with Zoom or Tascam recorders. I also have a Tascam DR40X, which is a lot cheaper than the Sony D10. The Tascam is made from cheap plastic and there is no dial for the gain settings. The button clicks may get recorded. The Sony cannot be used as a USB computer microphone. Everything from the Sony D10 unit is extremely easy and smooth to operate, especially the gain setting dial on the right. It's such a pleasure to use. Let's go through all the settings in the menu. you.